Are you freezing your butt off and looking for a great heater to warm up your main living area? So guys, this is really going to be ideal if you're just trying to warm up like maybe a 400 or 500 square foot area, maybe like your living room or kitchen area. So I work from home, but during the day, I'm the only person here. And of course, I don't want to run the heater all day because it's just me. Electric fireplace, I ordered it to knock the chill out of the air in the morning in our living room because the kids, like, I'll wake them up and then they come and they lay down next to it every morning while I'm getting their breakfast together and packing their lunch. And I just love this thing. I mean, it has two settings, and low is like around 1,000 watts and high is 1,500. You can adjust the brightness of the burning logs, which is just nice. I feel like it looks so real, and it just adds this touch of coziness to our house. And then bonus round, it actually warms this entire area up in, like, I would say 7 or 8 minutes, to the point where we have to turn it off. I mean, this thing definitely works, no question about that. I love how the heat comes from the bottom. It doesn't get hot on the top, and I think that's important because if people have kids or pets, you know, they might jump up on top of it. You wouldn't want to burn your little hands. Doors and the sides, it's all glass. It's just, God, it's just so cozy looking. I think it's about like 23 inches wide, and I literally assembled this in 5 minutes, guys. It was so, I can recommend this. 55 thumbs up. This is an excellent unit. Does the job, is super quiet. I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys found that helpful. Stay cozy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.